Sanibona bafethu uvane lo so namhlanje ade kwenziwa i-draw i-Telkom Knockout. I-Telkom Knockout ke ayisabizwa i-Telkom Knockout, seyibizwa nge-Black Label Knockout. Lapho khona sobe sibona ama-team edlala ngempela okuwafa washawa nje uyaphuma, akiwa nje kuma penalty, akiwa. Hayibo kuyayiwa kuma penalty. Yes, kuyayiwa kuma penalty. So i-team lapha mishawa uyaphuma bafethu. Ayikho second leg, ayifana nje i-MC need. So bafethu i-Black Label Knockout thathwa ama-team aphume ngale ku top 8 aqhathaniswa nama-team aphume ngale ezansi ngaphansi ku number since number 9 kuyale ezansi. So lawo ma-team lawa ale ezansi aqhathaniswa nalawa ngaphezulu. Lawa ngaphezulu ke iwona athola i-upper hand because they have to face ama-team amancane njengesezansi. For an example, i-Kaizer Chiefs ngenzeka iqhatho mhlambe ne-Richards Bay. Yabo into kanjalo because i-Richards Bay yona engene ngale ngaphezulu. So nawa ama-team bafethu aqhathanisiwe namhlanje. I-team yokuqala bafethu siyibonile namhlanje iqhathaniswa Mamelodi Sundowns yona iqhathaniswe naMarumo Gallants. Igame ke labafethu ezobe imnandi ngendlela eyisimanga. Mamelodi Sundowns nayo yabo isakwazi isazama mfethu ukuregroupa. Siyibonile iwinile against Durban City, so iyodlala against iMarumo Gallants okuyi-team nayo emnandi ngempela edlala ibhola eliyisimangaliso. Sathana kuyibona nje i-game between the two teams yabo ibimnandi ngendlela eyisimanga. Sifuna ukuyibona ke i-rematch ukuthi izoba injani. Another game ezoba khona bafethu siyabona la AmaZulu FC will take on iMagesi FC. Both of these teams to be honest angazi ukuthi yipi ezowina la. Ungangitshela ama comments ukuthi ngokwakho yipi game yipi team ezowina between the two, but ke I vouch for AmaZulu to make a difference kuleyo game leyo. So lama team azobhekana bafethu mase kuthi enye igame elandelayo kube iKaizer Chiefs versus Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch versus iKaizer Chiefs ke siyayazi igame lesijwayele ukuyibona bafethu. iKaizer Chiefs ihlezi idalela kwiStellies, ingabe na izoqhubeka yini idalele kwiStellies. iStellies ke right now basa regroup. I don't know what is going on with the Stellies. Maybe the new players haven't came to the party. Maybe ucoach uselahlekelwe amaqhinga ukuthi akwazi ukudlalisa i-team yakhe. Maybe sekumele ethola ucoach umusha asazi. But ke iStellies bafethu siyodlala against iKaizer Chiefs. Ingabe iKaizer Chiefs izokwazi ukubounce back, ikwazi ukuthi ibuye bafethu iwin another trophy after bewinile i-Nedbank Cup last season, because abakwazanga phela ukungena ku-MTN Need. So enye yama cups le abazokwazi ukuthi bayiwine this season with i-Nedbank Cup le esazodlalwa. Kwenye yama draw enziwe bafethu Orbit College izodlala against iTS Galaxy. Angazi ke la usiphe ezowina, but I see kodwa iTS Galaxy. I think iTS Galaxy izowina, to be honest. Yabo Orbit College right now sanenkinga eyikhona bafethu. I don't think abajita bazokwazi ukuthi bayihlule iTS Galaxy. iTS Galaxy have one of the best players yabo ku-season so far. Kwenye ama-draw siyibonile namhlanje siyibonile iPolokwane City. iPolokwane City ngokuzwa kwami kuthiwa izodlala against iDurban City. Between the two teams iyipi ezowina, iPolokwane City or Durban City? I see Durban City bafethu idlula amnandi la. iDurban City so far i-team edlalisa ukwe-team yabo bayi-club nje edlalisa ukwe-team ngempela. Bayakwazi ukuconnect indlela abadlala ngakhona, even though besathanda kushawa Mamelodi Sundowns, but I saw a different Durban City when they played against the Mamelodi Sundowns. Let's hope abajita bazokwazi ukuthi bounce back masibodlala nayo iPolokwane City. iPolokwane City nayo for me I don't think abajita this season bayimisele kakhulu, but ke let's see ukuthi kuzowenzakalani masikuyodlala. Kwenye yama draw enziwe namhlanje Chippa United with Richards Bay FC. Asazi ukuthi between the two bazowina. Richards Bay inenkinga na Chippa United na inenkinga, but ke between the two kumele kuwine oyedwa. Wafa it's a knockout game. We want to see one winner in that game. Ubani ozowina ngangitshela amakhono. Kwenye yama matches ekhishiwe namhlanje bafethu Orlando Pirates will face iSwelele, but ke there was no representative yeSwelele ade khona lapha izo represent iSwelele. It looks like ibhasi futhi liphelele upetrol because abakwazanga ukuthi bafike bazo honorisha phela kumele bazo honorisha ukuthi bazoqhathwa against iOrlando Pirates. Abakwazanga ukufika mina ngikhumbula indaba phela iSwelele sanenkinga naso, so bazodlala against Orlando Pirates okuyi-team abasazodlala nayo vele kusasa. So igame lezo izobe imnandi. If Orlando Pirates iwina kusasa, iSwelele mase siyodlala naOrlando Pirates kule game Telkom Knockout, Black Label Knockout ntontoni, kumele benze sure ukuthi baya revenge yabo. So ngangitshela ngama comments bafethu imapi ama team azowina la ma team lawa ngwabizile. Imapi ama team azoya ku second round. Magesi versus AmaZulu, Sundowns versus iMarumo Gallants, Stellies versus Kaizer Chiefs, Orbit College versus TS Galaxy, Richards Bay versus Chippa United, Orlando Pirates versus iSwelele, ne Golden Arrows versus iSkhukhune United. Between these teams imapi ama team bafethu azodlulela ku second round. For me, I see AmaZulu, I see Sundowns, I see Kaizer Chiefs, I see TS Galaxy, I see Durban City, I see Chippa United, I see Orlando Pirates, I see futhi Sekhukhune United. But ke ungangitshela ama comments bafethu imaphi ama team azodlulela phambili. Uvanele bafethu ungakhohlwa